Okay, and yeah, this is actually very important one, security and IP, especially important for big firms and enterprises. So companies seeking to hire offshore developers should pay close attention to the cyber risk profile, law, and IP regulation, of course, of the outsourcing and or offshoring countries. So according to global cybersecurity, and this is some kind of cool statistic here, Europe has the lowest exposure score per state. More than 70% of European countries are classified as a low and very low exposure risk. Poland here ranks the highest out of the CE countries featured in our report, 16th place in Europe and 22nd globally. For a comparison, India ranks 55th globally, sitting in the middle of the exposure index and slightly leaning towards high exposure. It is worth mentioning that in the case of Poland and Romania, their European Union membership delivers an additional layer of protection to outsourcers, one that cannot be provided by other outsourcing destinations. And what about IP? Well, the European Union has standardized intellectual property laws to make them more effective in reinforcing the protection of intangible assets. So what does it mean? Well, under the European Union legislation, computer programs are legally protected against unauthorized reproduction. What is more, the European authorities have established several directives for personal and general data protection to reduce data breaches and guarantee appropriate protection of individuals. So to sum it up, there is nothing you should worry about regarding cybersecurity and IP regulations and protection, especially if you are going for EU countries.